Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hello everyone, welcome to the HowStation. I am Tanvi and in today's video I'm going to share with you all how I made this foam pouch. It is very pretty and it's very easy to make, and you can carry in your maybe cash or your stationery or a few minimum makeup items in it. So it looks something like this. And yeah, this is the pouch that I will be sharing with y'all. I'll be sharing how I made this with y'all. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So to begin with, I've got a foam sheet. I'm going to fold it something like this. Like I want my pouch to be like this, so that's how I am folding it. And then I will start making points at a distance of about 1 centimeter on one edge of the foam sheet. Now with the help of a screwdriver, I am going to start making holes onto the foam sheet where I just marked the points. So I'm actually doing this to bring everything together and at the same time make my pouch look a bit fancy. Now if you don't want to do this, you can just go ahead and stick the sides. But yeah, I want my pouch to look a bit fancy. That is why I am doing this. So once I've made the holes, I am going to take a ribbon and I am going to start passing it through each hole till I have reached the top. Once I reach the top, I am going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now here is my pouch. I've tied knots on the ends of the ribbons to secure them, and I'm just going to cut out the extra ribbon and I'm going to burn the rough edges. Now I'll fold the top flap and find the approximate center, and then I will make 2 points besides the center. Now I'll again make holes using these 2 points, and be careful, you want the holes to be only on one side and not the other side. Now I'm going to pass a ribbon through these holes, and then I am going to tie a knot and burn the rough edges to secure the ribbon inside. So basically what I've done is I have created a loop over here, something like this, and now I will make a hole at the center of the top flap, and then I will pass a ribbon from that. So this ribbon will go into the loop and then I will tie it to close my pouch or to secure my pouch. Now I'm going to decorate the pouch with some paints, and once I'm done decorating the pouch, here is what it will look like. So just for reference or to show you all how this is going to work, I'm going to keep a few pen in here, and then I am going to secure the pouch with a knot, and that is how the pouch is going to look. So guys, that was the foam sheet pouch. Very easy, very beautiful, very elegant. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you all liked what you saw, if you all enjoyed watching the video, then please do hit the like button, and do tell me in the comments down below on how you thought the video was. If there are any other video requests that you would like to make, or any suggestions, any feedbacks that you would like to give, you can do that as well in the comments down below. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's absolutely free, and if you have already subscribed, then make sure that you have the notifications turned on by pressing the bell icon. And if you already have the notifications turned on, then good to go. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, have a good day, take care, and goodbye.